Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be super exciting. Yes, today I'm gonna do unboxing of something which I have recently ordered from a brand which I have recently discovered, and that is made in India. Yes, it's local, 100% local, and since all of you know that how much I support local businesses and go vocal for locals, so I've ordered few products, and these are from Pilgrim. If you've heard about this, it's a local brand, and products which I've ordered are for my skincare routine. If you are following me from a long time, you must be knowing that how much I'm addicted to skincare. And so if you know what is CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, these are the basic steps which you should follow while following your skincare regime. So I've also ordered my cleanser, toner and moisturizer from Pilgrim. So let's open the box and check it out what all inside. But yes, when I view from the website, the ingredients which I saw, they were just very impressive. The ingredients which we look for in a variety of brands, but sometimes we fail to find all the ingredients together. But trust me, I'm gonna tell you. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so I was very excited. So this box came yesterday only. So the first product I have received is this. As you can see, it's from Pilgrim, and it's red wine night gel creme. As you can see, it is with retinol, mulberry and vitamin C. So products, the ingredients mentioned are super awesome. I'm gonna tell you the benefits of all these ingredients, but let's first do the unboxing. The second product I have ordered was from Pilgrim. This is red wine face mist and toner. So this is it. And the last one which I ordered was red wine face wash, that is a cleanser with vitamin C and aloe vera. So now I have done the unboxing, so let me show you what's inside. The packaging, I must say, is super cute, and I just loved. So hey guys, I'm back with this. So let's check out what's inside. So now you must be thinking that why I have ordered from Pilgrim. So there are multiple benefits and advantages of ordering from Pilgrim. First of all, it is made in India. We should go vocal for local. And secondly, it is 100% vegan. It is absolutely cruelty free. No animal testing is there. Then it is sulfate free, paraben free. It is free from all toxic chemicals, and it is good for all skin types, equally good for all male and females also. So it has got a plethora of benefits. You can check the ingredients. The ingredient list is mentioned very clearly over here, the directions to use also. So I think it's a win-win situation to order from Pilgrim, and they are reasonable to order like in any other brand. And I think there is no nothing we can change, means we should change about this. So let me tell you how it will. I'll try and I'll let you know how it works. But firstly, let's talk about the ingredient lists and let's check what's inside. And let me tell you, all these products are non-sponsored. I have ordered on my own, and you can also check it on the Pilgrim website link. I'll give it in my description box. You should definitely check it out. And this is, first of all, let's talk about the cleanser. So in CTM, cleanser comes first. So it's, if you can see, this is red wine face wash, and the ingredients they have mentioned, even how to use they have mentioned. I'm gonna show in the video how to use it. Continue watching the video, and let me talk about the ingredients. The main ingredients are red wine with vitamin C and aloe, and it is good for all skin types. So red wine, if you don't know, red wine is basically it hydrates your skin, your facial skin. It brings moisturize your skin, and it evens out your skin texture, and it is very good if you want a plumpy glowing skin. So red wine is good. Then vitamin C, as you all know, vitamin C is just in demand these days. So this face wash, I have seen first face wash, I'll be using this, which contains vitamin C. Vitamin C, as you all know, if you don't know, let me tell you the benefits of using vitamin C. It evens out the skin tone. It reduces the blemishes. You know, if you have any uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, then it will smoothen it out. It will smoothen out your fine wrinkles. So vitamin C is a must to include in your skincare. And aloe vera. So if you all know, aloe vera has got benefits and benefits and benefits only. It's because aloe vera moisturizes your skin, maintains the moisture. So all the main ingredients apart from other ingredients are super important. You should definitely try this face wash with vitamin C and aloe vera. And if you want, I can tell you other ingredients also. They have mentioned all the ingredients over here, like aqua, sodium lauryl sacrosanate, cocamidopropyl betaine, glycerine, then phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexylglycerine, propanediol, acrylates copolymer, then vitamin C, aloe vera, wine extract, and cellulose beads, sodium gluconate. All these products, you know, help to make skin moisturize. They are very good for all skin types, males and females equally. So you can definitely gift it to your special ones also. And packaging is also super cute. So now coming on to the next, this face mist and toner from Pilgrim, as you can see. And the ingredients here are red wine. The main ingredients are red wine with niacinamide, vitamin B3 and aloe vera. It's again good for all skin types. Remember, it's good for all skin types. That is the main benefit. And equally good for males and females. Toner is very important, as you all know, to remove the dirt from pores. And red wine, as I have told you, is very good to maintain a youthful glow to your skin, to make your face look plump and healthy. And niacinamide, vitamin B3, if you don't know, it is the major building block among the skin cells of your face. So with age, we require vitamin 3 from topical use also. So this toner contains niacinamide. So it is something which I have not seen before, and this is definitely a must try. And I'm going to tell you how to use it. Continue watch the video. And the other ingredients are aloe vera. As I've again told you, aloe vera helps in moisturizing your skin, maintaining the hydration. So there is nothing, which like if you want to minimize your pore appearance, you should definitely go for niacinamide. And for a plump, dewy face, dewy skin, which all of us want, definitely this CTM routine you should definitely follow. And the last one is red wine night cream gel. So all these products are having red wine, which is very exciting, since you all know red wine is good for ladies. And if we cannot drink, we can definitely try it in our skincare routine. So Pilgrim is doing a great job. So now let's do this unboxing. So this is packaging from Pilgrim, and such a cute purple color, and it's red wine night gel creme. So all these three things contain red wine as the main ingredient. It is this creme is with retinol, mulberry and vitamin C. Now if you've not seen my retinol beginner's guide video, then you should definitely see the benefits of using retinol. But here I'm again gonna summarize it, that why you should include retinol in your skincare game, because it changes your skincare game. If you're having acne scars, if you're having hyperpigmentation, if you're having blemishes, uneven skin tone, you should definitely include retinol in your skincare. And this creme contains all these things. Red wine, again, to improve your glow, to give you a youthful glow. Then it contains retinol. As I have told you, there are multiple benefits of using retinol. And then mulberry is again very good for skincare, to improve the hydration of your skin, moisturizing. And it contains vitamin C again, I have told you. So all these ingredients, these are the major ingredients which it contains. These are must for your skincare, so you should definitely go for this. and I'm gonna tell you in the coming that how to use it. So guys, as you can see, I have removed my makeup and now the first step is cleansing. So for that, take 2 to 3 drops on your hand, dampen your face and just apply this cleanser and rub it in circular motions. It contains small cellulose beads also. And then wash your face with cold water and you can see the difference. My face feels so fresh. And now the second step is toning. So for that, you have to take the toner 6 to 8 inches away from your face and spray it. Let it air dry. And then the third step is moisturizer. Now I'm going to show you how is the texture of this cream. It is super flowy, soft, very amazing texture. Just apply it with your fingers on your cheeks, on your face, and don't forget your neck. Rub it, apply it at night and sleep. Guys, after you've seen how we have used all these 3 products, I hope I have given you an idea how to include these 3 products in your CTM skincare regime. And these days you should definitely focus on your skincare, and if you are applying it in the day, you should definitely apply it in your night time. But if you are applying it in your day, then don't forget your SPF also. It's very important. And all these 3 products, you can check it out. Hope you loved this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment me if you've got any queries related to Pilgrim brand and related to any skincare question if you are having. And do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon also. See you next in the coming video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy.